Felix.
Yeah, man.
So your first name?
John.
John Felix.
Yeah, man.
Ah. Alright, cool.
Because most of the people know as Felix Jerk Center.
Okay.
You know?
Alright people, the man there with Felix, the main man himself, Lilliput Jerk Center, and at the man lunchtime. But the man at the chef. People, let me tell you something. If when you enjoy your own food, you know say food tastes good.
Exactly.
Felix, how long now we are do this thing?
April come 22 years.
22 years. And which way you start?
Right, yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, I start at the yeah, right.
Wow. But when you learn, who teach you this? Who teach you how to jerk and make your own sauce and then something?
When we start out with some man from Boston.
Boston or Portland?
Yeah.
See?
I employ some man from Boston. Then come here and work for me. So during the time, I catch on, you know?
Yeah.
So my chef don't know still, you know?
See?
Yeah, but me I like the all around. Anything me can do same way.
See?
But I me make the sauce.
Ah.
Yeah.
So you jerk same way, you make chicken same way?
Do everything same way.
Alright,
and
see?
do fish and everything same way.
See?
Yeah.
Where you get your fish from?
White House of Westmoreland.
Oh, wow. That's a long drive, man.
Yeah, but me have man who buy it down there and carry it up for me.
I was saying?
Yeah.
Ah. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
So, when you don't eat your food now, we will get food with pork.
Yeah,
we will eat that try. Oh,
see my salt
you can more of my pork to you.
Yeah, man, me tell him long time.
Okay, alright.
See my cut your pork, you know.
And the lady will make the pudding, people.
Yeah, man, she did make a festival.
Yeah, man. See, oh, so you make the festival too?
Right.
Ah. See? So, you guys, she's the wife?
Yeah, man, I'm my wife.
Okay, and you've been together for how long?
25 years and about 20 years, nearly 30 years.
Oh wow, that's good, man. That's very good.
Yeah.
And in a business together, she bake the pudding and do the festival, and you run the jerk part. Alright, people. Yeah. Jamaica Uncut, Lilliput, right outside of Mobay. If you go into Ochi and you pass Iberia Star, you already passed.
You pass, but not so far, you know.
No, you can't go turn back.
Yeah, man.
Yes. And then we have also give the number. Tell the people the number one more time.
976
876
876 363 8052.
8052 people. Give the people a call. Make them know say you come. They put in liquor and it's sweet. So see there. Don't wait too long because it don't last long. See me come a while ago and the crowd come like they want done it. So you have potato and cornmeal pudding.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We are waiting for our food and our people soon forward. When we get the food now.
You can call all a whole one if you want.
Like a whole pudding?
Yeah, man.
Okay, see? Alright, cool. Alright people, Jamaica Uncut, road trip, street food, soon forward. That's some festival you're making now?
Yes, please.
Alright. Yeah.
Just start slow. 5 minutes time already, you know?
Oh, 5 minutes time ready?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, see? So the festival are going ready for some people. Festival are going fire cold, really hot. So after you peel it, you wrap it up to keep it warm.
Yeah.
Alright, see?
Like this way.
Ah.
You go so now. Feel it like orange. But hot, you know.
Yeah, man. Later on, we fry some of them breadfruit there too, you know.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man. So we have fried
Yeah,
breadfruit.
go on some of your
Roast breadfruit.
people, the man have the real thing, the man have all the roast and fry.
Yeah, man.
That's a real Jamaican vibes, man. And a nigga we are drive from, so you know say not that far. It's a nice little easy drive, come up here, enjoy yourself and track go back down. So if you already leave from Ochi or go on Mobay, it's on your left just before you reach Mobay. And if you are staying at Mobay, are literally 10 to 12 minutes out of Mobay heading towards Ochi on the right hand side. Lilliput Jerk Center. People, real vibes, real yard vibes. Anything where you ask for the people them have. Jerk pork, jerk chicken, steamed fish, steamed roast fish sometime.
Yeah, man.
And when conch in a season, them have conch. Also, you can get that done to order.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see it?
Done to order.
Alright, cool. So them have it all the time, people. It's done to order. The man make him own sauce and everything. Sauce, not too pepper. It's just right. Give that nice good tingle when you want in your mouth to feel good. Roast breadfruit, roast and fry. See it there? Yeah. They're on fire where I saw. Ooh, yeah. Roast and fry, people. Man, that thing there, really hard vibe. Jamaica uncut street food, Lilliput Jerk Center. That's the thing there, people. Run in and come check it out. Mad thing. Food good. They have roast potato, roast breadfruit, roast and fried breadfruit, same way. Yeah man, the thing bad man. Steamed fish, steamed roast fish, jerk pork, jerk chicken, potato pudding, cornmeal pudding, real thing. Link up. Oi, oi. Alright. Yeah man, some parts with some like fatty night.
Yeah man, a nice juicy part.
Yeah, nice juicy part. So, how long now you are in the jerk business?
How long in our jerk business?
Eh,
That's about 40 years now.
40 years. Wow.
Lifetime.
Who you learned this from?
Got school.
You got school?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Country, you know?
Because of which way you call country? Everybody had their own
St.
version of
Thomas.
country, you know? St. Thomas?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah man, happy. Me hear about St. Thomas, me more just start run water because I don't say food happy I'm good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cause
Granny cooking, you know?
yes, St. Thomas a real country vibe, real granny cooking for sure. Yeah.
Great Lilliput Jerk pork, you know?
Okay, so how long are you there so with a Lilliput?
Lilliput,
Eh, how long are you there so?
this is now about what? 16 years.
16 years. Alright, seeing. Yeah. No man, put it on the side, yeah.
Yeah, the side like that.
Yeah man.
And you dip in it, you know, finger out the wicked, you know?
They say wicked.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll find out still and do some breadfruit and things so. Buffet style. Oh, a chicken there. Alright, seeing. See it there.
Spark.
We have fork already. Chicken there. Pork there. Boy. Hot sauce. I'm home afraid of pepper already. My God.
Take your time and touch it.
They say in cruel. Breadfruit there, same way of people. Alright, so we're dealing with some food and I'm forward. Yeah man. Oh boy. You hear them laugh after me people? Right, I'm afraid of pepper. And we're going to touch it now and tell you how it tastes.
Good.
It's good.
Papaya.
What's the honey?
Take pepper too.
Yeah, wait for the kick in.
Yeah, wait for hour.
Me not dip too hard, me take my time.
Exactly so. You know?
I'm afraid of pepper bad.
Yeah. Me used to afraid I do, you know.
Eh?
But when we start putting the pepper, you know, we start like it.
Ah.
So we just put on the afraidness and just eat. We take time with it, you know?
It's not too hot.
Enough
Right.
onion.
No.
It's corn down.
Yeah.
Corn down,
You
you know?
feel it in your mouth, but in a mash up.
Right.
Yeah. What? Sweet potato there? Why people, we can't have all this food, man. Let's okay home some.
Yes, man. What do you mean?
Make the pork.
Like she go hard in
To make the pork.
Like pepper, she go hard in pepper.
Good man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, we do chicken.
Yeah.
So the one sauce to use for the chicken and the pork.
Right.
One pepper sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
So we not season it. We not season it with the pepper.
Ah.
So we have the pepper on the side. Who don't want it, don't have to.
Okay, if you don't like pepper, you can eat and you're alright same way.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me like the little crunchy taste of the jerk chicken.
Yeah.
They have this crispy taste on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah. Me a brave up. Yeah, me a brave up.
Yeah.
Brave that pepper, and me a brave up, isn't
Yeah,
it?
man. True.
So these are sweet potato people, and then these are roast breadfruit. You start feeling my nose now. Yeah, man. My nose start clear for now. And people are ready to cook soon forward. This is potato pudding. Alright. Coconut milk just right. Vanilla me taste, nutmeg me taste. Yes, Miss Annette. Kingdom Bush. Yeah, man. People, is a potato pudding competition with the fun. Alright, people, these are the potato pudding. People, these are the cornmeal pudding. Yeah, man. And you have a little bit of flush on the top, not too much, just right, nice and moist. And watch out, I cross this off right back, you know. Yeah, man, the best part. Whoa. I really think. Yeah, man, I really think, people. My belly full enough, so I'm going to carry some and drink this really good tea later on. Yeah, that's something there. You know that's something there? Yeah, man, some light leaf tea. Yeah, man, I meet you morning.
Yes, man.
But I really think, man.
Yeah, man.
So, again, big up yourself. Thank you very much. Nice experience. My brother.
Yeah, man.
Blessed love.
Every time.
Blessed love. Blessed love. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And thanks for your win at your place, and
Yeah,
thanks
man.
to the food. Food
Yeah,
tastes
man.
really, really good. And never make people know about the thing I know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Send on more people on the thing.
Yeah.
See? So, go and do what you do. And
Yeah,
bless
man.
up.
Really, respect.